Foreigner, it does not tally the big issue already. Big issue already. You must make it tally. Whatever you set, whatever you read, tally. Yeah, must tally. Otherwise, you keep clicking the matter and then say, how come it's this, how come it's that? You have to shout so that you wake up. Okay, alright. Use the measurement. Use the measure and use the this is the harness value for what? Big, going to big. Oh, okay. Use this one. Just remember, the RMS can be converted to big one. Sometimes the students will not, you need to be very sure you know, whether you also measure the parameter. You just reconcile your RMS value by multiplying square root of 2. Right? If they are close, that means your ratio is correct. If they are not close, there's one is wrong. Either the big value is wrong or your RMS value is wrong. As simple as that. The what? Hold on. You must use the smaller one. You must use the smaller one later. 200. You replace is this one. Yeah, this one MA. Don't replace this one. Yeah, replace MA. That means here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you take it out. You see, must be smaller one. I think 250.
Smaller one.
500 or something. Don't use ampere one. Use milli one. You look at it. You open it. You open. Yeah, you look at the emboss there. It's a 0.2, 0.6 or something. Or 600 milli or 5. 25.
250.
Yeah. This one? Is it 0.25 also?
0.25.
Yeah, correct. So replace the 0.25 one.
How to open this?
Here, you take out. You can use your ply. You can use this to yank it out. Or you can use your extractor. You can add the body also can. Add the body. Add the body, just yank it out. You see? What is it? 0.25?
Wait, this one is 0.
Yeah. 25, huh? Same.
Wait.
Big one,
This one 200 MA.
200 lah. 200 MA is quite same lah, quite similar lah. So we need to throw away lah. This one 0.25, right?
This one,
I thought you just saw.
No, the emboss not visible, not really visible.
I thought you just told me. I don't know. My eye cannot see. I thought you just told me 0.25. Okay lah, put it there lah. Put it there. Before you close, you can measure already. This one, remember, back one. You put it here.
Yeah.
You put it here. You just try to measure now. Is your battery there, right?
Yeah.
Battery? Where's your battery?
Oh, battery here lah.
Okay lah. You just no need to put everything first. Just for a quick check. You get 0.4, right? Using that one 0.4, right?
Yeah.
You try.
Wait lah.
source, always one. Source is always from top to bottom one. Always one. You won't change it. So yours will change the source. What for? This is your function gen is the source. Source must be the whole thing. Whole thing. Don't change one. No, cannot pick up one. Source
Alright.
This one can change because this is your EMF.